Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how Power Automate works with Dynamics 365 to automate tasks and improve efficiency. We will see the types of triggers, how to start flows for specific events, add conditions and actions, and update records automatically. Before starting, you should know the basics of Dynamics 365 customization, like creating tables, creating columns, and you must be aware about the relationships in Dynamics 365. As we all know that flows in Power Automate starts with triggers, like when a record is created, and then the actions are performed, like sending an email or updating data. There are three types of flows in Power Automate. They are automated, which runs on events. The second type is instant, which run manually, and the third type is schedule, which run at set times. In this video, we will be looking at an example of automated cloud flow. We will go to the solution we have created, then we will go to cloud flows. We will create an automated cloud flow. We will name this flow as when a new lead is created, send an email, and we will select the trigger when a row is added, modified, or deleted. Change the type as added, change the table as lead, and change the scope as organization. Now we are adding another step here. It is get a row by ID. In the table, select users. In the row ID, select owner value. Choose the owner value from dynamic content. Now add another action, send an email V2. Send this email to the primary email of the owner. In the subject, choose the topic and specify the body of the email. Now the content in the body of the email is specified. We will now continue to save and test it. We will test this flow manually. Here we are creating a dummy lead for 10 Milton bottles in the name of Radhika Gupta. We are entering data in the mandatory or recommended fields only. Now we are saving it to see whether our flow worked or not. Yes, we can see the flow ran successfully and the email is also sent to the owner. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.